guys.
So it's the Made in Roath Festival. I'm Nathan Wyburn, pop culture portrait artist, and today I'm welcoming you guys into my home to have a look at some of my favourite work, so come on in. Bodyguards, Britney and the Queen. And obviously you can't forget Justin Bieber. So yes, in here I have turned my living room into a little bit of an art gallery. As you can see, just displaying some of my favourite pieces of work. We've got loads of different materials on the go. We've got collage, we've got Ed Sheeran made with my actual hair. We have lipstick, we've got coffee, George Michael with wham bars, Eminem with spaghetti, Donald Trump with Mexican food, Theresa May with Theresa May. You get the idea. Loads and loads of fun, loads of glitter artwork over here as well. So yes, for the Made in Roath Festival 2018, Nathan Wyburn, open house. And guess what guys, the best bit? There's nibbles too. Food artist, you can't not have the food. And also we'll be giving a little bit of a talk on the TV screen as well. Come on in and enjoy.